Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be playing Roblox Brookhaven RP and we'll be cooking, cleaning. So yeah guys, it's almost night, so let's just get this house. Yeah, there's some other cop that wants trouble, guys, trying to scare me. So guys, I just came from the grocery store, so yeah, and then I'll be cooking and all those stuff. Okay, just close. The door is not closing. Okay, now the door is closed, so yeah. I just need to decorate my house. Then I'm done. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to start cooking. So yeah, scroll down. So food that is not yet cooked, and I can just cook it myself. Okay guys, there's a trick-or-treat basket, but I don't want to go trick-or-treating. Just don't want to. Okay, let's just switch off this light. Well, okay, I'll get back to you guys like when I'm almost done cooking. On a happy new year. Guys, I'm trying to pause this video. Guys, I'm trying to pause this video. Okay, just pause. I can, but okay, anyways, I don't care. Let's just put some food here. Then we start cooking. What you guys think that I should cook? I think I should cook. Let's just get that. Okay. Done washing my hands. Then we'll start. Okay, so the food is now cooking. Parmalat. Why am I shaking? Do you guys hear that? I mean, that is just neighbors. The crazy neighbors. Okay, so guys, now I think that the food is now ready. So let's take the food. I'm trying to take the food. Take this one and that one. Yeah. There's even like food all over the floor, guys. Like, you guys won't believe how many times I was trying to make a video. it's intense, like too much. So like, yeah. Now I'm just going to be eating. Then yeah. Okay, so good morning guys. I just finished sleeping and now it's like 3 a.m. Okay, I'm now going back to sleep for some reason. It's now like 3 a.m. Then I'm going to take a warm shower. Then I'm going to do my makeup. And then I'm just going to, I don't know, to just clean the house, and then that's all I'm just gonna do. Okay, now it's time to do my makeup. I'm going to sit here and just do my makeup, guys. Okay. So while I'll do my makeup, guys, I'm just going to eat breakfast. Going to have donuts for breakfast. Okay. I'm eating and doing my makeup. Imagine. So now I'm done doing my makeup and eating. And then I'm going to pick an outfit for the day. Okay.